So all right guys, in my previous tutorial we have looked at how you can use SkyJet to ship your items from different countries, from China to Nigeria basically. And in another video we've looked at SkyJet too. We also look at Sky Cargo. These are different shipping companies that they ship items from China to Nigeria. Okay, so in today's tutorial we're also going to be looking at NBC, right? NBC is another logistics that they helps you in shipping your item from China to Nigeria. And one beautiful thing about them is the fact that they are going to help you ship your phone with the available duration date. Now let's say not all shipping company that ship phone. SkyJet does not ship phone, Sky Cargo does not ship phone, but NBC do ship phone. And you can see here, let me see here if they indicated the price in which they are shipping their phone there. Let me go to home screen and see the prompt. I think I saw it somewhere. Okay, anyway, let's go and register our account, because I'm going to be purchasing a phone in this tutorial, and I'm going to be telling you how you can get your warehouse address so that you can start using them. So the first thing is to log into your account. So you come to please log in here, right? So once you click on it, I'm not sure if they have app. They only make use of websites for now. So once you click on login here, it's going to take you to this page. So if you've already gotten an account, you can easily input your number and password. So for this, I'm going to be clicking on register now, no account, because we want to register a fresh account from scratch. Okay, so it's going to take you to this page. The first thing here is to input your mobile number. That's the first thing you want to do here. Make sure the number is available to receive code, because each time your phones arrive, this is where you are going to, this number is where they are going to be sending message to. So then the next thing here is to input your email. Make sure the email is also active. Then your password, right? So you are going to be inputting your password. Make sure that the password is what you can always remember, because each time you want to log in, they are going to be requesting for it. So validation means you need to input the password again. So once you are done inputting the password again, the next thing here is your username. Your name can be your username, anything can be your username. So let me use Zion Hub Logistics Limited, right? So once you are done inputting all this, the next thing is to click on register now. And once you click on register now, automatically it will take you to here. Username Zion Hub Logistics Limited registered successfully. So you are going to click on move to user center here. So once you click on move to user center, it's going to take you to this home screen. Now I'm going to be explaining everything in this home screen for you. So this first one simply means add package here. So once you click on add package, it simply means you want to add a new package. Maybe you've already using their warehouse to buy their shipping address to buy something before, so you want to input it here. Basically you don't need to do that. So this to receive simply means they've received an item on your behalf on your warehouse address. So once you see one under to be received, that means you've already received one. So you can always apply for shipping. Maybe this item that I want to buy in this tutorial, once it arrives, you will see it here. And I'm going to be recording another video on how you can apply for packing. So you can see the next option, apply to pack. Under packing, parcel have shipped. So do you understand? So all these things is what I'm going to be explaining in my next tutorial. So the next thing we are going to do now is to come here where we have China warehouse address. So you click on it. That is where you can get their warehouse address. So once you click on it, we have different address for different shipping method. The first one is Lagos Express. If you want to use Express, this is the warehouse address available for Express. Then the second one is normal or air cargo. That simply means if you want to use normal cargo, right? So The third one is seal shipping too. Seal shipping usually take 2 to 3 months. So I'm going to be using Express because I want to ship phone. So I'm just going to tap copy. It's just a one-time click. Once you click on it, then I'm going to head over to where I'm going to be buying the phone for a client. So this is the website where we purchase used gadget from, basically. So this is for a client, and this is the phone I want to buy. I've already negotiated with this supplier, so I want to buy this iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gig. This is it. 12 Pro Max 256 gig for 1,150 RMB. So we've already negotiated, so I want to go and make my payment. So I'm going to come to this address here. I've recorded a video on it too. If you want to learn how to start doing gadget business, I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial. Do you understand? So you can always do what? You can always go and watch it. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on this plus icon here, and I'm going to the warehouse address I copied. You can see it here. So I'm just going to click on allow now. It's going to paste itself automatically. So I'm just going to click on this yellow guy to allow me paste itself automatically. So this postal code, I'm going to input it here. This is the same method you are going to use to input it if you want to buy on 168 or any Chinese platform. Do you get? So you click on that yellow to save. So automatically it's going to save your warehouse address. So let's go and look for our warehouse address now and use it. So let me see. We've already added our warehouse address now. The next thing is to go and make our purchase. So I'm going to click on this red icon here to make a purchase. I told you we have complete training. For those of you that are also interested in getting the complete training is also available in our company. We can teach you how you can start buying gadgets, used gadgets and new one from China directly. We have the complete course, so reach out to us on the number displaying on your screen. So let me just input my password here for this payment to go directly successfully. So you can see now that the payment went successfully now. So I can easily talk to this supplier, give him instructions, tell him to send me the videos before shipping. So once he ship it, they are going to notify me here under this where we have to receive here. Once they notify me, then I can now apply for shipping. So that's how you can basically create your pin address with NBC Logistics. Okay, so if you want to chat with their customer service, you see where we have this 3 WhatsApp number here. The first 2 is for their warehouse manager. So if you want to reach out to them, you can always click on it directly and it's going to take you to their WhatsApp directly. Okay, so I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can apply for packing directly. So you can also watch, because their shipping fee is quite different from each other and the way they are faster is also quite different from each other. So you can also watch the video I recorded about Skye Cargo too, if you want to start using them for shipping. I think Skye Cargo also is very much faster in terms of shipping item and SkyJet. So I'm going to be leaving those videos under the description button. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this very tutorial till this very end.